jar of dirt. I've got a jar of dirt. He's got a jar of dirt.
Say ovaries again. Pretty please.
Ovaries.
No.
The other way. The other way.
Like normally, dude. Ovaries. Why are you making fun of the way I say ovaries?
Oh God.
Say French toast.
French toast.
Ah!
Eggs and bacon. Eggs and bacon. What?
Wait, eggs.
Fuck you.
Eggs and bacon, or something like that.
Wakey, wakey, eggs and bacon.
All right, minus the yelling.
Wakey, wakey, eggs and bacon.
Yeah. He's crazy.
Yahtzee. Wait, hold up. Yahtzee.
Wait, can you do Stewie Griffin?
He is Stewie Griffin. To get a job.
Here, you hold.
And people wonder why I love these guys.
I've got a jar of dirt. I've got a jar of dirt. And you can't have it. Yeah, I got nothing.
Wait, you guys dance or something randomly.
Yeah.
You spilled it! Go dance. Yeah.
Careful, he just put his drink by your ass.
Oh, that's great.
Actually, I think he won't touch you.
Say something random.
Something random.
Smart ass.
Pickles and ice cream.
Ew.
That's pregnant people food.
Back up.
Get them both.
I'm sorry. For a moment.
I can't believe I called this guy a bastard.
I'm a crackhead, see?
What the fuck?
Did it stop?
No.
Not my fault!
Wait,
Because of the sirens.
that's an ambulance, not a cop.
So?
I should know what a cop
Cracker
sounds
Jack's
like.
the monkey boss. When you figure this out, you will gain knowledge.
Any ideas on that?
Can I tell you a secret?
What?
He ain't even figured that one out. That's why he's dumber than a box of rocks.
Do you know what it means?
Turkeys will rape you in the dead of night.
No. Wow. Wow.
Thanks
Just
for that
wow.
image. Asshole.
Don't go to the turkey farm! Hey, you want to see something funny? Sit, boy.
You need a cookie.
White
Where's
jacket
my rolled
much.
up piece of nose? Oh,
vagina.
never mind. I
Wait,
got my
what?
Sit, boy. Sit.
So I know like
Sit, boy.
1, 2, 3, 4.
It's
Yeah,
those two that
formal.
people wonder why I have anything to do. No, get back over there. These two. People wonder why I love them. Oh, shit.
Brotherly love, baby. I'll see you in the bed tonight.
Oh God.
Run!
Nah, you know what? Fuck this.
What the fuck are you doing?
Skip me! What? Oh shit! You gotta switch.
I got one of the most dangerous weapons in the world.
A belt. Yeah.
Put a tips on us.
I know, it's sharp.
Put a tips on us.
Go.
You got rickrolled.
All right. I'm just.
Holy crap! I think I've seen you before.
That
So,
is the awesomeness.
my nickname is Fluffernuts. What's yours?
Fluffer nuts.
My speaker's fucked up.
Why?
Baby.
I am not gonna put this on YouTube. At least not under my YouTube.
I'll put it under mine. Is it
Did
droid?
anybody notice the guy humping a truck and right behind y'all?
Yeah.
Is it pleasing you?
You know what you could do? If
We
you're
might give him
fucking
more
big enough,
mileage.
if you're
I'm just
big enough,
saying.
you can stick your dick in the gas tank, and I'll get a ladder.
Anybody got a cigarette?
Oh, dude, do the axe thing again.
Anybody?
The body spray thing with the lighter.
Anybody got a cigarette?
Wait a second. Wait a
I
second.
might have a cigarette.
Can I have one, please?
You may have a cigarette.
Don't do it inside.
Thank
do
you.
it while you're right here.
Just don't smoke by the munchkin.
Oh.
Oh, munchkin now.
You're a cute munchkin.
Did you take what he gave you?
I think I want to see something to put on YouTube.
Hell fucking yeah! Okay, make a new video. Wait. Make a new video.
You know that shit doesn't fucking